All right, so what are we going to be working on today?
Today we get to install pretty stuff. This is our electric fireplace.
What's the brand on this one?
I think the brand is SKU 60 FPC3.
Welcome back to Lake Lot Build. I'm here with my partner in crime today. So baby, since we didn't film much of this, what has happened?
We have primed, we have painted again. So 2 coats and primer, and now all the walls and ceiling are done.
So we're just letting it dry. I mean, it's dry, but it's only been since yesterday.
Yep. This is the color Bright White. We used Valspar, Lowe's, Ultra.
All right, so what are we going to be working on today?
Today we get to install pretty stuff. This is our electric fireplace. We got this off of Wayfair, actually. I don't remember if there is a brand. It appears that there is not a brand. Pretty sure this is a China special right here.
Okay. So tell us, where is it going to go in that big slot there?
It's going to go in this big hole right here in the wall that you prepared for us.
Okay, so I'm here in the living room, and I'm going to have this wall that's going to be furred out. It's going to be a 2x6 wall, floor to ceiling, and then I'll have my my frame out, I should say, for my fireplace to be right in there. So I got to get my instructions out and see what my rough opening is, and then I'll start getting my 2x6s that I have left over. I have those, and then I have some downstairs, so I should have enough to be able to frame this out with no problems. Well, we've made it to the end of the work day. So, last I spoke with you guys, I was going to build out the fireplace. And so, here is my fireplace build out. I know it looks like a big spider web of wood, but that is the opening for my fireplace right there. And boy, I think it's gonna look gorgeous. We have the face of it off here, and so now we are, if you can see in my little instructions we put up there, the top one is for wall hanging, the other one is for to be built in.
And who gets the instructions award?
Okay, you do.
I do.
All right.
I know how to read instructions.
So this is actually going to be pretty simple. It looks like what it's going to take is 2 wall anchors, but they're not going to go into our end of the wood, which is right there. They're going to be over here, so we're going to have to go into the drywall. So down in here is the hole right there. So we're going to stick it up in there and then mark our holes, and then we'll set it back down, put our sheetrock anchors in there, and then we'll screw it back in there. So here we go. Now, the one caveat to this is that you see how the depth of this is, right? Versus my depth is much deeper. And so we're probably going to have to use a little bit longer screw just to hold it enough, because we don't want it too much, because the glass has to hook onto it. So if it's too deep, the glass won't hook on it. So you have to find that happy medium. The other thing is we might put either a 2x4 across there and then screw into that 2x4, and then that way that mechanical connection is really tight, just versus just the drywall. So we'll proceed here and see what happens.
Okay, John, so tell us what we're doing now.
Well, we it looks like that when I marked for my opening to leave my 1.5 inches, I must have put the header on the wrong side of the line. And so instead of giving an 1.5 inches of play, I gave myself right out the line, which meant we were just ever so slightly, this piece of wood here has a little bit of a cut to it, and it didn't allow it to go in. So I tried the sander and it didn't work. So I had to break out the old router and just took off about 1/8 of an inch.
Yep.
Or a little more.
And now it fits.
So I routed that and then it slid right in. So now we're going to put on, you can see that it's just ever so slightly out here. And when we put that glass on, I don't know if it's going to be set away from the wall or not.
So we're going to check out the glass right now, but we just screwed right in to the board we set back there. So she's all secure. Now we just need to test the glass. But before we do that, we have some very important stuff to go in. Straight from China, we have the decorative stuff.
Does that know what it says, decorative stuff?
It literally says decorative stuff. You can't make this up.
Okay, let's see.
So we're gonna put these in the fireplace.
Oh, good, decorative
to make
stuff.
them pretty, because this is the decorative stuff.
It is gorgeous out today. I'll have to show them the view. There is not a drop of wind, and you can see the boats have started out already in the spring. The trees haven't even bloomed out, but it is a gorgeous day.
So does the decorative stuff go in the tray?
I don't know. I thought you said you read the instructions. Ha
Got me.
I have it wired up, so we're gonna see, baby. I'm gonna see your reaction.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, I'm gonna hit the switch.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cool!
Oh snap!
That's fun.
Oh honey, look at that! Can you see the flame?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome. We're in like the reflection.
I know it. Sorry. All right. Can you change colors?
I'm trying.
Well, let's see. Check the cover. Is the cover over the battery?
I just pulled it out.
Okay. All right. What does it have?
It has color A and color B, but I thought it had like 6 or 7 different colors.
All right. I don't know. I don't know. Try the heater.
Maybe this doesn't work.
Well, now we're going to look at the remote. Oh my gosh.
Amazing.
Okay. All right.
Now we have it figured out.
Oh,
So we
green.
have green, purple,
Red,
red.
blue. Okay. And then, so that must be, and that's the under, so this must be the flame.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
The flame changes color.
Gonna have a purple flame. Oh, there it is right here. Right down here.
Oh my
See it?
gosh.
Oh, look at that. Can you even see it in the reflection?
You can. I mean, I
Come over
can
on this
see you
side. Come
too.
over this side there. Try that.
It's the
Oh,
same.
it's so bright out.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh my God, we gotta be down here when it's dark. So you could do like a red or a yellow.
Ooh, I like the
blue.
the yellow one too. Just looks classy
And
as
you could
well.
do a blue with a purple flame. Are you kidding me?
The possibilities are endless.
Okay, so let's try heat.
There's our little heater. Oh, that's nice.
Oh my God.
That's just nice.
Not that we'd ever probably use it.
No, but that's really cool. Okay, well, our little Wayfair Chinese electric place has come through for us. And it looks great on this wall. What's the size of this? It's like 60 inches?
I think it is. Where's my tape measure? All right, so that is 60 inches.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, 60 by 18 on the top.
Oh, that looks so nice.
Yeah, working!
It works. And then we'll have
Oh my
our
gosh, it works!
we'll have our TV right above it. Oh, this is great.
I don't even know. What do you think? Did we change this wall color or not?
Yeah, you guys comment down below. We're thinking of painting the wall black.
I was. Or maybe we put a tile
Or tile.
or that laminate that looks like the steel or stone. You know, because you can get it in a 5x12. So we could do 2 5x12s.
Yeah, you guys tell us down below what you think.
What do we do here?
Do we paint it? Do we leave it?
Do we leave it or do we paint it?
Good work, Johnny.